How we can set up the NativeScript CLI on Windows. So first we need to have Node.js some of these following versions. You have to install Java or JDK 8 or later and Android SDK on your computer. This can be done via the official site JDK Android SDK or via Chocolate. So after that we have to set up environment and we have to continue with open administration command prompt and paste this in order to install Chocolate and restore the command prompt. So you have to paste this code in PowerShell there. After that you have to install Java SDK. With Choco install JDK 8 and you need to set the environment variable with setx java home and you have to provide your path to JDK install folder. After that you have to install Android SDK with Choco install Android/SDK and you have to set environment variable. So setx Android home and again path to Android SDK install folder. After that you have to restart your command prompt. Then you need to use device or emulator. I can suggest you to use genymotion.com because I found it's one of the fastest actually, and as well it's free. You can also use AVD Manager or you can use your personal Android device. Then you have to install NativeScript CLI. So in command prompt run the following command: npm I global NativeScript. Finally, to check if everything is okay, you have to run in command prompt tns, which is coming from Telerik NativeScript Doctor, and this will let you know if everything is alright and you have followed all the steps correctly. The next thing that we're going to see is how we can create our first project with NativeScript.